Welcome to a journey through the lifeblood of the United Kingdom, its rivers. From majestic flows to meandering streams, these waterways have shaped the landscapes and history of this diverse land. The UK's rivers are a tapestry of beauty and significance. The River Thames, England's iconic watercourse, flows through the heart of London, witnessing centuries of history and culture. The River Severn, the longest river in the UK, winds through Wales and England. Its tidal bore, the Severn Bore, is a natural spectacle that draws admirers from around the world. The River Trent, known for its meandering path through the Midlands, and the River Mersey, weaving through cities like Manchester and Liverpool, are vital arteries of commerce and heritage. In the north, the River Tyne runs through Newcastle, bearing witness to the region's industrial legacy. Rivers like the Tyne, Wear, and Tees have played crucial roles in shaping the landscape and economy. Scotland's rivers like the Clyde, Tweed, and Spey are emblematic of the country's rugged beauty. They carve through picturesque landscapes, sustaining wildlife and traditions. Wales boasts rivers like the Wye, Dee, and Taff, coursing through valleys and forests, offering sanctuary to diverse ecosystems and captivating visitors with their natural splendor. Beyond their beauty, these rivers are vital ecosystems supporting diverse flora and fauna. They provide drinking water, irrigation, and habitats for countless species. As we conclude our exploration of the UK's rivers, we're reminded of their timeless beauty and importance. They are more than waterways. They're the threads that weave the fabric of this diverse and richly endowed nation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the rivers of the United Kingdom. Until next time, let's continue to cherish and protect these precious waterways. Farewell.